What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make some more progress on trying to get this thing running. So I'm pretty sure that the fuel pump is bad, but even if it's not, this gas tank's probably got to come out anyways. If the gauge is right on the dash, it was parked with half tank in it, and it's been sitting for 10 years like that. So I'm sure the tank needs cleaned out a little bit and stuff like that. So either way it goes, I'm pretty sure we got to drop tank. So that's the goal for this video. Get the tank out of there and see if that fuel pump's bad or not. So I'll get it up in the air and start getting this tank out of here, and we'll see what we find. Got this thing up in the air. This is actually the first time I've seen underneath it. First thing I noticed is the exhaust is rusted out right here after the muffler, but everything else seems okay. And then the chassis itself is in really good shape. No rust anywhere. Everything's solid. All the like pinch weld jacking points are still in good shape. Hasn't been worked on a lot. I don't know if this is factory or if like a dealership did this, but there's like paint markers all over everything, and it's all still in its original spot, at least whenever it was marked. I'm not 100% sure what that's all about. But yeah, this thing is very solid. A little bit of road grime on the oil pan and the transmission, but not much. Anyways, go ahead and get this gas tank out of here. This cover off, get the filler neck out of the way, drain the tank, drop it down. I wish y'all could smell this. This is horrible. Look at that. I don't know if I've ever seen anything. Oh man, that smells bad.
2,000 years later.
I really hope the inside of this gas tank's not all rusty and garbage. Yeah, that thing is junk. It doesn't really work. But it's yeah, it's really rusty in there. So gonna need to figure out how to clean that out. Take a closer look at this pump. So this thing looks pretty trash to me. I'd guess that there's probably nothing going through that either. It's all clogged up. Well, there it is. Mission accomplished for this video. I guess next week I'll try and figure out a way to clean this tank. If y'all have any ideas, let me know. And get it cleaned out, and then maybe clean the pump up and hardwire it and see if it runs. If not, I can pick a new one up, no big deal. I'm pretty sure I can save the hanger. The rust is just kind of like flaking off of it. So that's a good sign. Who knows, maybe that pump will run too. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video. So, thanks for watching. See you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.